Good morning, everyone. My name is Andy Kim. I'm the Director of Energy and Sustainability. I'd first like to thank Shirin and her team and student volunteers for putting out this great symposium. Also, we have some of our ACC volunteers out there that we are trying to make this event zero waste, which means we are trying to provide the supplies and the food items from locally sourced and then compostable or recyclable. And then also, when you have a lunch today, our volunteers will help you how we sort our waste so that we can try to make those zero waste. So I'd like to just remark a few things on behalf of ACC about the sustainability, what we do at ACC, try to combat climate crisis and try to minimize our carbon footprint. There are a lot going on at ACC as well as surrounding our city and partners. First, you are in a LEED Gold certified building. This is a great building that some of you remember it was a mall. Now it is a great higher education facility. We achieved the LEED Gold, which means that this building promotes the public transportation so that people can use public transportation rather than driving vehicle, single occupant vehicle. And also we utilize the existing structure, shell. That means we didn't have to bring raw material to this site. Right? Minimizing transportation, minimizing mining, and also we are using only safe and good material for the interior finish out. That means we don't really smell new building, new car smell. Some of you may like it, but that's not good for you. So I will share a few initiatives that we do. We have dozens of different program initiatives that we help our students and employees to minimize our carbon footprint and then do better and being a better citizen. So I'm going to share a few things. And some of you probably saw the news that we had a 1,000-year flood in Florida last day or so, right? Who remember the 1,000 years ago what it was like? It was probably our, Native American brothers and sisters, their ancestors probably were here. So that's probably another big topic that we can talk about another day. Let's see. All right, some of the initiatives that I wanted to share are just things that we share with our students and employees. One of the things is LED desk lamp. I recommend you investigating at your house as well. If you turn off the ceiling light and use a task light, this day and age, LED task light uses just 6-7 watt. It's a fraction of the energy that you can use. So we are giving it out to our employees so they can save energy. We have ACC, we have 8 campuses solar panels. So it's more than 1 megawatt. Some of you don't know we have a solar panel because usually it's on the roof and usually it's blocked by the parapet, so-called, the high wall. But we have 8 campuses. We have a 1 megawatt system. And we have also a small battery system that we got grant from DOE at our Eastview campus that this battery charges during the daytime and then it releases when we have a high peak. So it shapes the demand during the daytime. We use also some of this solar bench, we call it. As I said earlier, some of our solar panels are up on the roof, so our students don't see it. So we are utilizing this solar bench so our students can learn what the solar panel is and where we have the solar project. We have green teams. Like I said earlier, some of our green teams here today with you to help to make this event zero waste. And tomorrow, if you are in Austin, we have a KAB Day, Keep Austin Beautiful Day. Our community goes out to clean our neighborhood and parks. So if you are interested in, join us to clean our neighborhood and parks. And these are some of the photos from our green team members cleaned our communities. We promote transportation, sustainable transportation, sometimes alternative, they call it alternative modes. We promote the bike ridership, and also we work with the new startup, so to speak. There are car sharing program often start in Austin, interestingly, because we have a tech hub in Austin, Texas. And also we work with the Capital Metro to provide a green pass for all students and employees. These are some of our green sustainable parking initiatives that we work with our administration, our students and employees. Waste is very important. It's a very, everybody can relate to, right? So we're gonna have a lunch, really good lunch that Shiri's team is putting together. I hear it's a vegetarian. So we'll help you to sort it out, how we can make this zero waste. We have several specialty recycling program at ACC. As some of you know, you are not supposed to put styrofoam in the recycling, right? But the styrofoam is a part of the plastic. It can be recycled. The reason why they don't want you to put it in, because if you put it in, it breaks away and it becomes a big litter problem. Other than that, it's a plastic. So we put it separated bin, and then we recycle it. How that works is they have called a densifier. You melt it down and become a very hard, dense, big plastic. So that's how we recycle them. And the pen and marker recycling is also very popular at ACC. You've heard about the fast fashion, right? It's a very important topic as well. We work with our fashion incubator, also try to recycle our fabric and try to share our clothing that we are not using anymore. This is one of the new initiatives that we are putting out. So at your office, we do you use a lot of batteries because things are, mobile this day and age. So we are working with our department, other department, that we are giving out these rechargeable batteries so that they can reuse and continuously recharging their batteries. So up to 50 to, this graph says over 2,000 times you can reuse it. We have called the ACC free stores, not for students, but employees can log in and then we share surpluses. If you go to your department, sometimes you open up the supply closet. There are a ton of things, nobody uses it anymore. So we share that through our website. And there are various water-saving plumbing fixtures that we use at ACC, including working with the city and government using their purple pipe, call it purple pipe, reclaim the water in the line. Now, this is the last. As Shirin mentioned, that next week, Saturday is Earth Day. At ACC, we celebrate Earth Week. So we are putting out over 60 events, in-person events, throughout the district. So if you are here, please join us to share our thoughts and then join in fun events throughout the next week. That's it from me. Thanks for coming again, and thanks for Shirin's department. Thank you.